new jeans that I got.
This is so much fun.
I can't take myself seriously right now, but I have a serious leaf problem outside. I have a bunch of tree canopies like right behind my backyard, and it's constantly like shedding leaves this time of year. I thought to myself how convenient it would be to have a vacuum that I can use outdoors. I didn't know that existed, but it does. Black Decker, bless their soul. It looks like this. It's kind of big. I don't know if you guys can see. You see the bag right here? I just want to suck up all the leaves because they're driving me insane. Maybe I should talk to you guys when I take this mask off because I can't bear it anymore. I also got this pedestal, which is from CB2. It currently has a picture frame on it, but that's not going to go up there. I'm waiting for a statue that has taken forever to get here. And I don't know if I mentioned, but for Christmas, Roger got me a drone. This is the DJI Mavic Air, and I still have not flown it. I just have not had time at all to fly this thing, and I'm dying to fly it. So yeah, I'll see if I fly it this week. I'm really looking forward to getting some drone shots. Getting ready because I'll have to go return some stuff at the mall today, and then later on tonight I have one of my friends' birthday parties to attend to, so that is what today's gonna consist of. So I'm just quickly getting ready. I came to get my mail and this just scared the crap out of me. January 13th, and I just finished filming, but I wanted to show you guys these new jeans that I got. They are by a Goldie, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I was looking for this color denim, which is like a light blue regular vintage looking denim jean for a very long time, and I have never been able to find like the perfect shade of blue. I'm very picky, and I think I found them. I like them. They do take some breaking in, but I do have like sausage thighs, so almost every kind of like vintage inspired jean is very tight on the thighs on me, and then it's like kind of loose on the waist. But what I like the most about these is that they're super high-waisted. I think that from here to here it's like 12 inches, which is the perfect amount for me because I do have a long torso. Yeah, and these are longer. I usually have like more cropped, but these are like the perfect length for like boots and stuff. There he is. Getting ready to go get my eyebrows done, and I'm also doing a lash lift and tint today for the first time ever, so that's why I'm not wearing any mascara or anything. But really quickly, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. This dress, you guys probably saw it in my Aritzia haul, but it is really big on me. So good thing it has like the cinching at the waist, because otherwise it would just be way too big on me. It's really comfortable. And for my shoes, I'm wearing my Adidas Stan Smiths that I haven't worn in a very long time. For my necklace, I'm wearing same old Common Muse. forgot to like update you guys on my lash lift because I went and had like lunch and went to the mall. Now you guys can rewind or something to see like how my lashes looked before, but it's a huge difference. I'm obsessed. My eyelashes are long, but they just do not curl. Like they barely curl, and I have to like do a lot of work on them in order to get them to look good. So yeah, I definitely recommend lash lifts if you guys have the same problem with me, like if you have long lashes, or even if you don't have long lashes but you just want that, you know, lift to just be able to like see them with no makeup on or anything is great. Honestly, my eyelashes are so straight that I have no idea how long this is gonna last. Hopefully it lasts as long as it's supposed to, but I'm definitely going to keep doing it because it is so worth it. If you're contemplating on doing a lift or you're scared or whatever, I really recommend it. I think that it's really worth it. They are your lashes, you know. I'll update you guys on how long this lasts and stuff. Yeah, I have to start pre-filming because we are going to Tennessee at the end of the month. So I wanted to leave some videos pre-filmed. I'm getting ready to film, and I'm using some things that I purchased yesterday at the mall. And the first thing is this eyeshadow from Marc Jacobs. I got this at Sephora, and it's the Perfecto Omega eyeshadow. And I was on the hunt for an eyeshadow that was kind of like Venus from this Naked Basics palette. This is the first one, and I think this is being discontinued, and this is my favorite shade in the whole world for all over my lid. It just gives the most beautiful sheen ever to your lid, and I do not have the patience to go and swatch a million things, but my friend actually found this. So Josie, if you're watching this, thank you so much, because I just put it on my lids and I love it. It's exactly what I was looking for. It's like matte, but then when you swatch it, it gives like a beautiful sheen. Obsessed, and this is gonna last me forever because it's huge. Next, they actually opened a Morphe store in our mall, and we went yesterday and I picked up some things. So I picked up a new angled brush. This one says it's for, I think it's like for your brows. It has a spoolie, but I wanted it for my faux wings that I do, so I'm gonna see how this one works. I also got another angled one. It's like a shorter bristle one. Of course, this camera's not gonna focus on it. And I got two more like blending brushes, and I got the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, which I'm gonna try out today. I also went to Sephora, so really quickly I'm gonna show you. I got the Marc Jacobs Perfecto. I went for my Tan Luxe The Body drops. This is just a self tanner, and I worked with this company and they had to send me like my first bottle. They sent me one for the face and one for the body, and I already ran out of it because I recently started getting back into self-tanning, at least for like these months where I do not go outside. Yeah, I really like this one because it gives me a pretty even tan, and I can just put drops in my moisturizer. Like I don't have to worry about it being perfect or anything because I just mix it with my moisturizer and it develops like while I sleep and stuff. And I also wanted to try these eyeliners, which I don't even know if I'm going to be able to test them out today because my eyelashes are really like curled up, so it's gonna be very hard for me to put on eyeliner. I'll probably do like a faux wing instead. But these are the new, I think they're new, the new roller liners by Benefit. I got one in black and one in brown. Okay, this is great. It has castor oil, and I'm not supposed to be putting that on my lashes. Great. Okay, sort of living for this spray. I've never had a spray like so quickly set my makeup. Like I usually have to wait so long and it's dripping all over my face and I have to go and blow dry my face, but this is like drying like really nicely. So I just finished filming and I wanted to show you guys Dexter's new bed. He's been obsessed with being on the sofa, so I got him his own sofa.
Do you like your bed?
He's so obsessed with it. The moment I unpacked it for him, he went, he grabbed his toy from his other bed and he brought it to his new bed. I got it from Amazon. So I was looking for a bed that I can remove the covers because his current bed is one that I can remove the covers to wash it. That's why it took me so long to buy a new one, but this new one I can remove the covers and wash it, and it is also beige, so it matches with my life. What is it, Papa? What is it? Why are you putting the paw on me? It is Sunday, January 20th, and I'm finishing getting ready because we're gonna go bowling. My hair's still wet, I'm letting it dry. And I'm wearing my Reformation Stretch Flood jeans, mango belt, Aritzia, kind of like ribbed long sleeve Vans, and I'm also gonna wear my Aritzia jacket because it's gonna get colder later. Finished eating breakfast. I'm gonna go to the gym, but before, I'm sorry for my hair, okay? I just put it up out of my face. Wanted to show you guys my living room because I don't have any furniture in it. Dexter is really concerned about it. So we put our couch in my loft. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's up there. It fit perfectly, and now that's Roger's little video game nook. We're getting a new couch tomorrow. I'm so excited. That couch that we had before was great. It's by IKEA. I mean, it's a good little couch to have, like, in an area where you're not gonna be laying or sitting a lot. Maybe if you have like a huge house and you have an extra sitting area space that isn't gonna be used as much as the living room, that is what that couch is ideal for. We really desperately needed something bigger. And it's funny because before we purchased our IKEA couch, I actually wanted one of Article's leather couches. And ideally, I would like to have a leather couch in the future because it's much easier to maintain. But I decided against it because I really love white couches. I think that now is probably the best time to get a white couch before having kids. And I've kind of learned how to maintain a white couch. I had practice with my more affordable one, so I think I could do it. Experimenting, peanuts, wine.
But technically it'll be a whole bottle, and then you.
Fun. So this is it. This is the Article Soleil, I think that's how you pronounce it, couch. And this is the sofa, and then I just added like the ottoman to make it into a section. But it's much bigger than the one that we had before from IKEA. I put that one in my loft and it actually fit perfectly. I have my camera equipment set up, but right here I plan to put a lounge chair, which I already ordered. I was contemplating on putting a rug or not, but I don't know if I'm going to. I took out the rug that was previously there. I'm gonna buy a coffee table. I'm gonna get new throws. I might switch up the pillows as well. And these are actually pillow covers, so I could just put them somewhere else, but yeah, I might like switch up the pillows. And yeah, I'm excited to have like an actual coffee table. Before this, I just had the IKEA sofa with the ottoman, and then like, you know, I couldn't really put a lot of stuff on the ottoman. It's very, very deep, which I love. I can literally like, it's like huge. Like I have so much space. I love to like work from my couch, just put my laptop here, edit and do everything. And like, I was really, really uncomfortable in my other couch. So yeah, Article was kind enough to send me this, which is like huge. I never in a million years thought that I would be able to have these kind of opportunities, but I'm so like grateful. You guys don't even understand. Like this is awesome. Like this is everything to me. You guys know that I love decorating my house and like, you know, switching things up and stuff, and it's hard. So to have these brands that I love just like reach out to me and want to work with me is huge. And I can't even believe that things like this happen because of the interwebs. So yeah, I will be showing you guys more in-depth stuff on the couch. I'm going to be making a video soon, and I'm also going to do a living room reveal when I finish the living room. So that's probably gonna be in a month or a couple months. The other pieces aren't going to be from Article. You guys know that I really love mixing things, mixing old and new. So yeah, this system that they have is really cool. You can basically make your own sofa. They have all of the pieces for you to construct a sofa that fits your house. So I know that in the future, if we move and we have like a bigger space or something, I can add on to this couch and make it even bigger. So I think that that's pretty awesome. Yeah, you can't really tell much of a difference because it's the same shape as the other couch, but it's much, much bigger. Of course. He just sits in the middle of the rug and like doesn't understand it, but
What was that?
Your breath smells, okay?